route information for the connection between PC1 to PC4. It will show the route information for the connection between PC1 to PC4. So this one is PC1 go through the unknown network and then go to this router R3 and then go to R2, go to unknown network, and finally arrive at PC4. Okay, why is it unknown? Because this one, the trace is going through switch. It is unknown because switch is layer 2. We will move to the part 6. We will use SDN to configure network settings. Right, we will go to the part 6. Use an SDN to configure network settings. Okay, the first step for this part is investigate the configuration of the example server. So we will go to example server here and click services. Here we can see all the services here, but we want to see the DNS service is running on this server. DNS server on this example server, it has only one record. Then we move on to syslog. This server is enabling the syslog, and we go to NTP, network time protocol. Yes, the NTP service is on. Let's move to the step 2 for this part. We'll try to configure a global policy for DNS, syslog, and NTP. Okay, the first step is click on admin. And then we will click the menu on the left side of Cisco logo, go to policy. In this policy there are two tabs, QoS and network settings. We will go to configure network settings, so we click network settings, click on the DNS. We will enter example.com as the domain name, and IP address is 192.168.101.100, and click save. Okay, we go to NTP settings. The NTP settings is also same, 192.168.101.100. So it will refer to this example server. And for the last is syslog. The IP address is same. Input the IP address to 192.168.101 and 100. Okay, save. We'll click fuse config. Click OK. After this verification window, Alright, it's completed for the step 2. We will move to the step 3 for the part 6. On this step, we will verify and test the network settings that we will push to the devices. Okay, uh, we will try to go with R1 router, and we will go to CLI menu. Okay, we are already on CLI for R1. We'll enter enable. We will see the configuration on this R1 by hit show run and begin IP domain to see the IP domain name and the IP name server. Yes, it's already referred to this example server, and the domain name is example, which is the detail that we configure before on this network controller. We'll try to see the NTP information on this R1. We'll go by type show NTP associations. Okay, it refers to the example server here. Is already correct, and we will try to show clock, and then we will try to enter the command to verify login is configured. We will type show run include login, and then we will try with this router 1 to disconnect the serial. So go to the CLI, enable, configure terminal, and go to interface SE010. It's connected here, so we want to shut down, and then enable again, no shut down, then end. Let's see on this server, it should appear here. We need to clear log first to see the any changes on the network here. For the example, I will take the router 1 to take the effect. So let's do this again. Go to enable to config mode and configure terminal. Go to interface and we will shut this down. Okay, the port is shut down, and we will go back to make this on. No shutdown, it's already up, and we end the configuration. Okay, let's see the log here on the example server. We go to syslog, and the log is appeared here. All the configuration is work, and I want to show option that we have applied on this preferences miscellaneous and checks all those checklists. It used to access the network controller through the host, so we just type localhost and we input Cisco with the password here. Okay, it's already connected, and we can do any settings here through the host device. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.